Two birds are over there. They don't want to come closer to me. See, I know they like to eat the food. They want to eat the food. Oh, now closer, closer. Because you see me, sure you'll fly away. So I know there is a food down there. Ming Ming balanced food. I know they wanted to eat. You see? Ha ha ha. I catch two of you a video. Huh? Closer because I'm not. Ooh, they are so cute. Sneaky, sneaky to eat. Oh, take one and straight away come on. Straight away want to fly so that no one will catch them. That's why easy. The birds not easy to catch. They are very, very cautious, curious. Oh, take and like fly like that. Oh, two birds, two blacky birds. I don't know how to call you. For meantime, I call you blacky birds. Okay? Bye bye.